Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
If you want to know how to raise a cat, well, I am the answer. I will teach you the basic skills you will need to raise your cat on a normal day and for many years. Today, 70 million Americans currently own a cat, and studies have shown that cats help boost your spirits and they help you live longer. So that's a good thing about cats. There are 4 main objects you need on a normal day to raise your cat. The first, food. Second, brush. Third, toy or ball toy. And fourth, a cat. First, before you feed your cat, you have to choose what kind of food your cat will eat. For smaller cats, I recommend smaller containers, which are usually Meow Mix or some other brand. Second, for medium-sized cats, I have 9 Lives, which is usually medium-sized pieces because it's usually when the cat will start eating a lot more. And finally, Friskies gives you huge pieces of food, which are typically for a big cat such as my cat Daryl. Next, once you choose your food, you have to carefully open these cans because as you see they're metal lids, so I'll demonstrate how to open it. First, usually they have a tab, so pull back the tab, just like the pop can, and pull it back. And there you go, you have your food open. Next I'm going to demonstrate how to scoop food into a bowl. First you stick the spoon in the bowl, take some food out, transfer, scoop. Now you can take a little bit more for bigger cats like Daryl because they get mad once you don't feed them. And there you go. Now once you have your food right here, the cat will probably start coming and running at you. Daryl, do you want to eat? You want food? Yeah, there you go. And let the cat enjoy his food. And in about record time, he eats the bowl of food. And there you go.
Cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever.
Next, playing with the cat. There are many ways you can play with the cat. It can range from throwing a toy or using your own flesh. Using your own skin is a very dangerous way, so I would not recommend it because I have many scars from my own cat. So that is how you play with it. Yeah, as you can see, some cats do not like to play with toys. When you brush a cat, you should use an animal brush. I recommend this one. I don't know where you can find it, but it will be in stores somewhere. It's an awesome brush, and I'd use it on myself if I could, but it's an animal brush. Now, when you brush a cat, you should make sure you go from head to tail, like that. And usually cats like it, like my cat does like it, I guess. He like licks himself when you brush by his tail though. Finally, letting a cat sleep is the main part in a normal cat's day, because cats can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Seems like a lot, but they usually do it because When I come home, the cat's usually sleeping. Now that you have watched my video on how to raise a cat, are you man enough to do it?